Hey, it's Randal Smalls. Here's your 2-minute tune-up. Hey, listen, while things are not moving in every direction like they have been in the past and you have a little bit more time on your hands, I want to remind you to make sure and take some time to daydream in your mind. Make your mind work. Think about the possibilities that can exist when you come out of a place of less activity than you're used to. You got to make your mind work. Expand it. Use the power of your God-given imagination to see possibilities, to think about possibilities in your spirit, your mind, your body, your money, your marriage, your other relationships, friendships, career, and just possibilities. Because if you don't put your mind to work, you look a lot like that big old earth-moving machine that's just standing still. And if you don't use it, you lose it. So make sure that while you have some quote-unquote extra time, that you expand that mind, use the power of your thought processes to think yourself, dreamitate, dreamualize, meditate, visualize, all those things that I like to say, and picture yourself getting better. Picture yourself, maybe not just picture yourself, putting your efforts into a program, a course of study, reading a book, learning something, watching documentaries, growing, reading the Bible, doing something that is expanding your capabilities. What you have, make it work. And you, I promise, will be better.